It's our top pick for most natural-looking artificial grass available in the market. It's proudly made by a leading brand on innovating this product in terms of quality and durability for over 2 decades. First off, we love its lush green turf, which is quite soft for artificial grass. Users are extremely happy with how great it feels on their feet. Your kids will surely love taking their shoes off, thanks to its 4-tone pattern blades that give it a natural look and a comfy touch that's perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Lita brand has particularly designed this product with a double mixed layer, giving it a fairly soft feel while still providing durability. It alternately uses polyethylene yarn for the long threads and polypropylene for the short blades, ultimately adding volume and superior resilience for well-trodden grass spaces. Users are loving how this product is reasonably priced with its realistic features and made of UV-resistant, eco-friendly, and non-toxic synthetic materials weighing 70 ounces per square yard. Added to that, it comes in a wide variety of sizes for you to choose from. It comes with an easy installation process that you can finish within minutes, and you can go maintenance-free. Say goodbye to mowing, watering, thinning out, or drying grass because Lita Realistic Deluxe Artificial Grass gives you that well-trimmed look all year round. It's absolutely a money saver with its top-notch quality and low cost, and offers a 10-year warranty with 30 days return policy. What a great deal! If you're loving what you're watching right now, please consider subscribing to our channel. Click on the bell icon to make sure that you will be notified once we upload our next video. We do all sorts of review videos for every product or category that you can think of.